Okay then, hiya, how you doing? Today we're going to make a chicken pepper fry. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay then, so what we got then, Mum?
We got 2 chopped onions,
Yeah.
1 tomato,
Okay.
a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder,
Yeah.
a teaspoon of ground black pepper,
Okay.
is a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of garlic,
Okay.
a handful of curry leaves and 1 chili with a cinnamon stick
Okay.
and salt
Okay, lovely.
and turmeric.
Okay then, lovely.
So let's start.
Okay then, so we're going to heat up some oil in a pan. We're going to put in about 4 tablespoons.
The cinnamon stick and the curry leaves. Put in the onions.
Those curry leaves smell fantastic.
Fry the onions till it gets translucent, not brown. Now it's a bit translucent. Yeah,
Yep.
we'll put the chicken in. Now we put in the ginger and garlic. And stir it all well in the chicken. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now add your chopped tomatoes in. Give it another stir and let fry for about 3 minutes. Now that the tomatoes gone mushy, we'll add the pepper powder and chili powder. Chili powder and the pepper powder. Green chilies. Give it a stir. For 2 minutes, let it fry. Let it fry in its own juices. Do not add water. Now add half a teaspoon of salt and stir it well. If you need more salt, you could add some more. Cover it and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Give it a stir. The chicken is cooked now. We'll dry up the sauce a bit. You can dry the sauce up a bit, or you can leave it as it is, a bit gravy, moist. There we are. It's ready now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.